I received some questions about using the Garmin HRM Pro with a smartphone. So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can connect it to an iPhone, to the Strava app, and do a workout getting your chest strap readings with just your smartphone. So first, in order to pair with your Strava app, you need to put the chest strap on so that it turns on. So now I'm wearing the chest strap and it should be discoverable via Bluetooth. So here, when we go in the Strava app to record, and then we can press on this heart symbol, and we can see that the available sensors, it found the HRM Pro. We can tap on that and it's now connected. Press on done, and now we can see the heart rate here. So we can press on start and record the activity. It's possible to use the HRM Pro like this. However, if you're interested in using just the chest strap and use the offline recording and then sync up with the smartphone and get your data that way, I think that might not be possible with the Bluetooth connection. DC Rainmaker explains that the synchronization would use ANT+, and well, the smartphone I think doesn't support that. So to my knowledge, the only way of benefiting from the offline functionality of the HRM Pro is to actually use it with a Garmin smartwatch. For example, this Phoenix 7, I have been using it with that. But it definitely works with the other Garmin smartwatches as well. Another thing to note is that I think that some of the chest strap data which is recorded would only sync with a Garmin device. So with this you do get the heart rate, but the HRM Pro is capable of recording other data as well. So if you're still thinking about which chest strap to purchase, maybe and using this smartphone and using a smartphone to record the data, I would lean towards some other chest strap brand like the Polar H9, costs only 50 euros, or even the HRM 10 costs like a bit over 70 euros. So those are quite a bit cheaper than this HRM Pro from Garmin. But if you're on the Garmin X system, you are using Garmin smartwatches, then definitely the HRM Pro does have some benefits. I'll leave links down below to the chest straps and also to the DC Rainmaker article about that ANT+ thing. If you found this video helpful, please do consider subscribing and helping the channel reach 1K subscribers. And if you're interested in the HRM Pro and how to start an activity on the watch so that you can record the activity offline when the watch is not in range, go watch this video next.